All right, let me take you through all the election-related news in a nutshell. Home Minister Amit Shah holding a roadshow in Gujarat's Gandhinagar. His campaigning was welcomed by hordes of people in a show of strength. Amit Shah will be filing his nominations tomorrow, but in the meanwhile spoke exclusively to India Today, promising that the BJP would win all 26 parliamentary seats in Gujarat. According to sources, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal will be participating in the India Alliance rally, which will be held on the 21st of April in Jharkhand's capital Ranchi. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and AAP MP Sanjay Singh will also be participating in that rally of the India bloc. BJP worker in Tamil Nadu's Kudlur chopped his finger as sacrifice for Annamalai's victory in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. While campaigning, BJP worker picked a knife, chopped his left index finger, saying Annamalai must win. He was later taken to hospital. He's currently undergoing treatment. BJP candidate from Haryana's Kurukshetra, Naveen Jindal, campaigned in unique style, was seen loading bags of wheat into a truck in the Radhaur grain market of Yamunanagar district. Those are the images that surfaced. All right, let's take you through some more news coming in from the heated campaign trails. Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, has slammed the CPM party over its manifesto for upcoming polls. He says that the left party is trying to hamper national security by saying that they're going to destroy nuclear weapons of India. Rajnath Singh further said that it's a deep-rooted conspiracy to really weaken India as a country. He's also asked the Congress to clear its stand, whether it supports the CPIM, its India ally, and its manifesto or not. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, along with his wife Sunetra Pawar, has offered prayers at Srimant Dagduset Halwai Ganpati Temple in Pune. She will be filing her nomination from Maharashtra's Baramati today. She's contesting against NCP Sharad Pawar faction candidate Supriya Sule, who filed her nomination a while ago. BJP candidate from Himachal's Mandi was seen campaigning in Barmore area. Kangana Ranaut there saying she's left all her Bollywood ambitions and dreams and work all to come and fight as a Lok Sabha MP, not knowing whether she's going to win or not. She's given up her Bollywood career. She says that we are Modi's Sena, working for Modi, because Modi is going to come back as the Prime Minister once again. BJP, in fact, Punjab's Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, slamming the BJP over its Ab Ki Baar 400 Par slogan, has called this a jumla. Bhagwant Mann says decision lies ultimately in the hands of 140 crore Indians and not in the hands of the saffron cap. After 29 Naxalites, including top Naxalite leader Shankar Rao, were killed in an encounter with security forces in Chhattisgarh's Kanker district on Tuesday, security has now been tightened in Naxal-affected areas in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli ahead of polling on April 19th.